series that first opened the doors to the unforgettable world of the Univercada. The couple who made us believe that some love stories are simply timeless. Ngayon, handa na ba kayong makita muli ang architect at lawyer na nagpasimula ng lahat from Rain in España? Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Cali Saluna, Marco Gallo, and Heaven Bayalero! Next up, the couple who made us all believe that love is truly in the air as our favorite pilot and flight attendant from Safe Skies Archer as Hero and Yana, Brunette from Prisha, Bianche, and Jerome Benson. The love story that proved opposites really do attract and gave us one of the most fun and unforgettable couples in the Univercada. Let's make some noise for the MVP of the court and the cheerleader who brought endless kilig and good vibes to every scene. Mula si Pragbidahan chasing in the wild. Please welcome Elise and Sammy, Madison Paliano, and Gab Lakman. Unforgettable moments at mga eksenang nagbigay ng kilig sa ating lahat from Avenues of the Diamond. Please welcome Sam and Clyden, Olivia and Lance Carr. Sa kanyang mga fans at ang caring mom of the Univercada na laging inuuna ang iba bago ang sarili. From the fifth book, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, let's make some noise for Arkin and Pia, Luther Cross, and Pia Pinane. Hindi magiging kompleto ang kwentong ito without a character who will keep us all on the edge of our seats. The man from Kiera's past. The one whose unexpected return will bring back memories, unanswered questions, at mga emosyong akala natin ay naiwan na sa kahapon. Playing Miguel, let's give a big round of applause to Francis Magundaya! Isang lalaking hindi naniniwala sa love. Pero paano kung ang taong nagpapagaling sa'yo ay siya ring taong hindi naniniwala na kaya pa niyang magmahal? Playing the charming prosecutor who's about to discover that maybe love is worth taking a chance on. As si Andre Kyle Sean Lopez. Let's make some noise for Jairus Aquino. Story to tell. For the longest time, we've known her as the sweet, hopeless romantic of the Univercada, but this time, it's no longer about being the best friend or watching someone else's love story unfold. Because finally, it is her turn to tell her story. Playing Kiera Zailin K. Inares. Let's give a warm and loud welcome to Nicole O'Neill. Jairus and Nicole, you may now take your seats. Dahil meron pa tayong isang special na moment that we will be sharing with everybody. Of course, we have to seal the deal. Every time we have one of these introductions to the story, we have to reveal the poster. Okay? Alright, so please grab onto that black cloth at sabay-sabay nating tanggalin ha. Please help me count, alright? On my count, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic! The official poster, everybody. Okay, let's have a photo with Jairus and Nicole. Together, of course, with our official poster sa lahat ng mga nandito. Today din to i-release on social media. So